WellCamp, 100% exporting business, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale and service of prefab house, container house, steel structure and light steel villa. Our team has many years' experiences in exporting prefab houses. Our office in Foshan City and factory in Zhaoqing City, more than 20,000 square meters production area. As a famous brand, WellCamp has successfully completed many projects, such as government, international joint venture, construction company, and charity organization in various fields of oil, military camps, and emergency functions in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Sudan, Mozambique, Congo, Brazil, Mexico, India, Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines. In the recent years, we take pride in achieving the certifications of ISO 9001, 2015, SGS, UL, BV, CE, ASTM, and the top 10 famous brands of prefabricated house in China. In addition, our unique product, the 5th generation easy folding container house, a house that can be set up in 4 minutes, which shocked the prefab house industry and hot sell all over the world. We also developed our detachable container house to maintain our technical advantage, install manually, and also full galvanized. We also have very hot cell portable toilets, shipping containers, prefab labor camp, steel structure warehouses, workshops. WellCamp is dedicated to the developing of environment-friendly products and to improve the living conditions. WellCamp folding container house. Perfectly simple. WellCamp, moving the world. WellCamp, to be #1 brand for prefab labor camp.